Hello everyone, welcome back to Render BGE. Today I'm going to share about my another project called 4 viewport 4 viewports to display. Now as you can see, there are 4 viewports. Alright, to do that, as you know, I uploaded about 2 viewports, and it looks familiar for 2 viewport because there are 4 cameras. So this is a Python script. This was given by ChatGPT. Alright, to do that is easy to make. You can just drop this Python script, and the object I dropped for this Python script is a simple ground, simple floor. Okay, and important thing, okay, make sure that you name their camera by following this Python script. As you can see, I have 4 cameras, and you see the name of their camera is include camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, camera 4, and then in the left side of the screen you can see their name. Okay, just make sure that you name it by follow Python script, and you can drop to object whatever you want. So I decided to drop Python script into this object, just a simple plan, simple floor. Now you can see there is a sensor always, and this is controller. Python is connected to our sensor. It's very easy to use. Okay, before you play, make sure that you finish pressing key 0, and you can see you are in the some camera viewport, and then just press P to play. Now you can see. So implementation of this project, you can play with your friend with 4 viewports to display. I think there will be 4 player. You can make some game that you can play with your friend for 4 player. You can do that. So the another thing you need to know, I think there is nothing. Just like that, it's very to use this project. Alright, I think this is what I want to tell you and explain, and I think you enjoyed from watching my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.